Hello friend. You're watching your favorite YouTube channel Real Persian Prince. In today's video we are going to talk about how much YouTube actually pays you for 1,000 views in 2024. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Introduction. YouTube has revolutionized content creation, providing a platform where anyone can share their videos with a global audience. One of the most intriguing aspects of YouTube is its monetization potential. Many aspiring YouTubers wonder, how much does YouTube actually pay for 1,000 views? This question has a nuanced answer, influenced by several factors such as content niche, audience demographics, and the effectiveness of advertisements. In 2024, these factors continue to play a critical role in determining YouTube earnings. Understanding YouTube's monetization model. YouTube primarily generates revenue through advertisements, which are displayed before, during, or after videos. The platform uses Google AdSense to manage ad placements and revenue distribution. Creators can monetize their channels by joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. The earnings for YouTubers are calculated based on a metric known as CPM, cost per mille, which represents the cost advertisers pay for 1,000 ad impressions. However, not every view results in an ad impression, and not all ad impressions pay the same amount. Factors such as viewer location, ad engagement, and the type of content influence CPM rates. Factors influencing earnings per 1,000 views. 1. Content niche. High CPM niches, finance, technology, health, and real estate tend to have higher CPM rates because advertisers in these sectors are willing to pay more to reach their target audience. For instance, a channel focusing on personal finance could see CPM rates ranging from $10 to $30. Low CPM niches, entertainment, lifestyle, and vlogging often have lower CPM rates, typically ranging from $2 to $5. This is because these niches attract a broader audience, and advertisers may not see as much value in targeting these viewers specifically. 2. Audience demographics. Geographic location. Viewers from countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom tend to generate higher CPM rates compared to those from countries with less developed advertising markets. For example, a view from the US might contribute to a CPM of $10, while a view from India might only contribute to a CPM of $1. Age and gender. Advertisers also consider the age and gender of viewers. Younger audiences, particularly those aged 18 to 34, are highly sought after by advertisers, potentially leading to higher CPM rates. 3. Ad engagement. Viewability. Ads that are skipped do not generate the same revenue as those watched in full. Skippable ads usually pay less, while non-skippable ads and bumper ads, short, non-skippable ads, tend to pay more. Click-through rate, CTR. Higher engagement with ads, such as clicks, can significantly boost earnings. Videos with a higher CTR often attract premium ad placements. 4. Seasonality. Advertiser demand. CPM rates can fluctuate based on the time of year. During high-demand periods, such as the holiday season, CPM rates can increase significantly due to increased competition among advertisers. Calculation of earnings. To estimate earnings from YouTube, consider the following example. Channel A focuses on personal finance with a CPM of $20. If Channel A receives 1,000 views, and assuming every view results in an ad impression, the earnings would be approximately $20. Channel B focuses on lifestyle vlogging with a CPM of $3. For 1,000 views, Channel B would earn around $3. However, it's essential to note that not all views result in ad impressions. Typically, only about 40 to 60% of views might generate ads, depending on the viewer's location and ad availability. Thus, the actual earnings could be lower. YouTube's revenue split. YouTube takes a 45% cut of ad revenue, leaving creators with 55%. This revenue split significantly impacts the actual earnings received by YouTubers. Using the previous examples, Channel A, with a CPM of $20, and assuming 60% of views generate ads, the effective CPM would be $12. Subtracting YouTube's 45% cut, the net CPM for Channel A would be $6.60. Channel B, with a CPM of $3, and assuming 60% ad impressions, the effective CPM would be $1.80. After YouTube's cut, the net CPM would be 99 cents. Other revenue streams. In addition to ad revenue, many YouTubers diversify their income through other streams. 1. Channel memberships and super chats. Viewers can support creators through channel memberships and super chats during live streams. 2. Merchandise sales. Creators can sell branded merchandise to their audience. 3. Sponsored content. Collaborations with brands for sponsored videos can be highly lucrative. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products and earning a commission on sales through affiliate links. Real-world examples. 1. Personal finance channel. Suppose a personal finance channel receives 500,000 views per month. With a CPM of $20 and 60% of views generating ads, the effective CPM would be $12. After YouTube's 45% cut, the net CPM is $6.60. Thus, monthly earnings would be approximately $3,300. 2. Lifestyle vlogger. A lifestyle vlogger with 500,000 views per month and a CPM of $3, with 60% of views generating ads, would have an effective CPM of $1.80. After YouTube's cut, the net CPM is 99 cents. Therefore, monthly earnings would be about $495. Conclusion. In 2024, YouTube continues to offer diverse monetization opportunities for content creators. However, the earnings per 1,000 views can vary widely based on several factors, including content niche, audience demographics, and ad engagement. High CPM niches and targeted demographics can significantly boost earnings, while lower CPM niches may require additional revenue streams to achieve financial sustainability. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for aspiring YouTubers aiming to turn their passion into a profitable venture. By optimizing content strategy, engaging with the audience, and exploring multiple income streams, creators can maximize their earnings on YouTube. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and push the bell icon so you can always be updated whenever we upload a brand new video. We will be back with some more interesting content soon. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.